Gadget Man, and today is July the 17th of 2011, and we are in Avoca, New York. And we had a surprise visit today. One of Adam Abraham's devoted followers drove all the way over from Rhode Island to come get his modification. And what we worked on today was a 2000 Nissan Frontier. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn the camera over to Adriano and just let him fill in the blanks. All right?
Okay.
All right. Would you care to introduce yourself, sir?
Yes, I'm Adriano Rodriguez. I'm from Rhode Island. And I came all the way from Rhode Island to New York to have my modification done on my truck.
Mm-hmm.
The first thing I noticed when we test drive it, I see more power.
Yeah.
And I can see the RPMs dropping too, so I think it's running a lot smoother too. So that's why I gotta say just the first test drive. So
why did you come? Why did you drive all this way, Adriano?
if there's something I can do to improve the planet,